Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
Victims have lost over $1 billion in cryptocurrency scams between January 2021 and March 2022, according to a report released by the Federal Trade Commission. Over 46,000 people have lost money in crypto fraud since the beginning of 2021, making it the leading source of payment scams. Oil prices rose more than $2 in early trade after Saudi Arabia raised prices sharply for its crude sales in July, an indicator of how tight supply is even after OPEC Plus agreed to accelerate its output increases over the next 2 months. The dollar advanced modestly as a boost in risk appetite sent US equities higher and kept gains on the safe haven in check ahead of a key reading on inflation later in the week. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 4.7% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold dropped 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. Germany's factory orders will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Australia's RBA rate statement at 0430 GMT. The US 3-year note auction at 1700 hours GMT. Japan's gross domestic product will be released at 2350 GMT. Finland's trade balance at 0600 GMT. Australia's RBA interest rate decision at 0430 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.